If you were using Grok AI to make videos and it suddenly pulls the free version, I know exactly how that felt. You finally found something that worked and then gone. But here is the thing, I kept looking and kept testing because I wasn't about to let that stop me. And then I found CapCut AI. Now I know some of you are probably thinking CapCut, yes, that's just an editing app. That's exactly what I thought too, until I finally went inside and used the AI video maker. And I'm not exaggerating when I say my jaw dropped. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make a super realistic AI video using CapCut. No camera, no editing skills, no experience needed. Let's go into it. What you need to do is to head over to CapCut application. If you don't have CapCut, you can download from your Play Store or your iOS, okay? You open CapCut. It's this amazing interface will pop up. You head straight to AI generator here. Just click it, AI generator. So this is what we have. So over here, we'll see that we have 5 seconds video. We can generate 5 seconds video here. And when you take it down, you input what prompt you have in mind. So when you take it down, you see models that it can generate videos for you. Sedans 2.0, 2.0 fast, 1.5 pro, Sora View 3. These are amazing models you can use to generate your video. Okay, so here asks you a generation mode, keyframe reference, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. That is the duration video you can get. And of course, it has aspect ratios where you can get 16, 9 by 16, 3 by 4, 1 by 1, and all that. So for this tutorial, let me work with 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Okay, and you have option of resolution 480p or 720p. Okay, let me go for 720p, which is far higher than 480p. So on this describe will be like, okay, let's play around, generate an African king with his wife and security behind him. This is the same way we generate prompt images, videos from Grok AI. So this one we are clicking on generate. Let's see what we can achieve from this. Just short prompt. You can use this to generate amazing long form video for your African folk tales, for your factory videos, for your any type of video you have in mind. Is generating 12%, 13%. It's going very fast. And of course, if you are not okay with the video that is being generated, you can modify or regenerate the video that is being given to you with CapCut AI. Okay, and mind you, if you look up here, you will see it's giving you Sedans 2.0 fasts and it's free. We are not paying any dime here. We are generating this and have our dream kind of content achieved here. And with this, you don't need to stress yourself much looking for ways to pay for CapCut, looking for ways to pay for Grok AI and all that. Okay, if you find this video interesting, kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification, and tell me the type of prompt you will want me to walk around and the type of tutorial video you will want me to make on my next video. All right. Over here, we have 68% ready video. So few seconds, our video will be ready. Okay. And we can rate this CapCut AI video over 10. Let's see how it goes. So this is something that I will recommend anyone that can't afford Grok AI to look into. CapCut is the application we use for video editing, but the massive upgrade right now, you can create videos, silent noise background, edit videos, edit thumbnail, edit video, pictures. You can do amazing things with CapCut right now. So let's just give it a few seconds. It will pop up. We'll see amazing video that we can. And mind you, there is a plot sign where you can upload your own image and convert it to video. But this, we are heading straight to generating from scratch. So let's see how it looks. 87%. Okay, this can actually move faster based on the strength of your internet. So let's watch how this plays out. Just few seconds. If you are just joining my channel, my name is Anthony Olo. I create amazing content on how you can make good money with AI, generate amazing videos for yourself, and have your story out there for your audience to watch and learn from you. Okay, so let's watch how this plays out. Here is the results. And of course, you have option to choose your music. Okay, you have option right here to select the music you want at the background, epic cinematic motivation trailer. So you can as well have your music that you want. So let's play around and see the type of music we have here. We have amazing music here, which you can add to the background. So anyone that suits you, you can add to it. It actually gives you 6 seconds, not just the 5 seconds that was written there. So let me know your rate on this. This is exactly what I gave, the instruction I gave King and the wife with the security at the background. So this is amazing. Let me know what you think about this on the comment section. All right, feel free to subscribe, like the video, drop your comments. I will make amazing tutorial videos for you. See you on my next video. Cheers.